Number one canon event that all PC builders will go through is forgetting to flip the switch on the back of the PSU. You just finished building it, you plug it in, you get everything hooked up, and you go to press that power button, and it just does not turn on. And you're sitting there for like a good 10 seconds thinking, oh my god, did I just get scammed? Is my motherboard broken? Did I do something wrong while building it? And then it clicks into you, oh yeah, I forgot to flip the switch on the back of the PSU. And just like that, all hope is restored. And I know you're not going to sit here and say, oh, I've never done that. At some point, it's going to happen to you. It happens to everyone. No one escapes the switch. No one.